So this is a new component called list box, which we are picking up now. List box, it will be displaying values in a list. So I'll just stretch it a little and I'll get rid of this. So we have two components only here, a button, and I'll give it text. I'll call it display 1 or 0 to 9. That's what its text is. And then a list box. Let's give it a name so I can remember. Numbers list box. Okay, so that's my list box name, and it's basically text will be populated increasingly, incrementally in my loop. So what I'm going to do is, the purpose of this application is, when I display this number, press here display 0 to 9, it should work in a loop and display here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in a loop. So that's the purpose of this application. Okay, so I display 0 to 9, I'll click on this button and I'll come down and I'll first of all declare. You might as well copy and paste this, although I will not encourage you, but you might as well copy, and I will encourage you to write your own code by yourself, because that will give you more confidence for your exams, for your projects, etc. So I just copy from here and paste here. What it does is it declares and initialize the counter to 0. Okay, and then there is a decision box. Counter is less than equal to 9. True, then it comes here. Inside this bracket, this is how I add a number to the list box. What's the name of my list box? Numbers list box dot items dot add. Dot means of, you can say in English. So numbers list box. Okay, so items of numbers list box. That is what it means. And you add it into the items. What do you want to add? Number, as I showed you over there, in a string, plus counter, so whatever the value of counter is right now. So the counter's value keeps on increasing in counter plus plus. Okay, because that's my increment operator. So in the loop, what happens if I don't write this? Can anybody guess? If I don't write this, what happens? Okay, that's one thing. It will be the same number, exactly. What else? When will this loop end? Sorry? Exactly, it will never end. The loop will never end, because you don't have a condition to exit. Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 will have a condition to come out of this loop. As long as it is 0 or 1, less than 10, you will never exit. So exactly, this is correct. So counter plus plus will increase. So it will go back to the condition, check if it is true, come down and add a number to the list box, and write here number 1. That's the first thing. Then you increase it to 2. Is it less than 9? Yes. Come and add to the list box number 2. Then it increases it to 3. Is 3 less than 9? Yes. Then come to the list box and add number 3, and then increase it to 4. Is 4 less than 9? And you keep on continuing. Let's run this. Okay, I display, and it does that like this. Now, what if I want to change the program to display numbers from, instead of 0 to 9, to display it to 0 to 20? What do I need to change? Can anybody advise? What do I need to change and where? Here? What do I need to write here? Plus? So I only change the number, that's right. I only change the number, display, and it will display from 0 to 20 in a loop. Okay, so I want you to do this now. Thank you very much for watching this.